Welcome to the Adjectives quiz. Adjectives are the colourful words that add flair to nouns. Get ready to pick the best options and let your imagination soar. Choose the best options to fill in the blanks. Let's see how many you can get right. The dash dragon guarded the treasure. The fierce dragon guarded the treasure. The dash elephant walked through the jungle. The colossal elephant walked through the jungle. The dash spaghetti tangled on the floor. The twisted spaghetti tangled on the fork. The dash weather ruined our picnic plans. The harsh weather ruined our picnic plans. The sky was filled with dashed stars on a clear night. The sky was filled with brilliant stars on a clear night. The movie was so dashed that we couldn't stop laughing. The movie was so hilarious that we couldn't stop laughing. The dash clown entertained the entire crowd. The funny clown entertained the entire crowd. The dash cake was a hit at the birthday party. The delicious cake was a hit at the birthday party. The dash giraffe reached the highest branches of the tree. The lofty giraffe reached the highest branches of the tree. The dash apple was delicious and juicy. The ripe apple was delicious and juicy. The dash flowers bloomed in the garden. The colourful flowers bloomed in the garden. The dash castle stood on the hill. The gigantic castle stood on the hill. The dash cat basked in the sun. The furry cat basked in the sun. Maria wore a dash dress to the party and everyone admired it. Maria wore a gorgeous dress to the party, and everyone admired it. The dash rainbow lit up the sky after the rain stopped. The vibrant rainbow lit up the sky after the rain stopped. The Dash mountain towered above the valley below. The massive mountain towered above the valley below. The Dash Knight stood bravely before the dragon. The courageous knight stood bravely before the dragon. The Dash waterfall thundered down the cliff. The majestic waterfall thundered down the cliff. The Dash lion roared across the savannah. The untamed lion roared across the savannah. The Dash storm swept across the coast. The violent storm swept across the coast. That's the end of our adjective quiz. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting quizzes. See you in the next video.